Repairing or replacing a roof is a big investment for your property, and you want to hire somebody you can trust to do the job right. One way to select a roofing contractor is to ask friends and relatives for recommendations or contact professional roofing associations for referrals. You can also use CSLB's Find My Licensed Contractor feature to find a licensed roofing contractor in your area. Here are some tips to help ensure your roofing project goes smoothly. Make sure your contractor holds a valid C39 roofing contractor license. Licensed roofing contractors meet minimum work experience requirements, undergo a criminal background check, have a licensed bond, and carry workers' compensation insurance. As a homeowner, if you hire an unlicensed contractor, you may also be liable if someone is injured on the job. Although not required by law, it is also advisable to require the contractor to carry adequate liability insurance, protecting you and your property in case of an accident or damages occurring during the performance of the work. Use CSLB's Check the License feature to ensure your contractor's license status, bond, and insurance information. You'll also be able to see if they have any disclosable consumer complaints or if any legal action has been taken against them. Get at least 3 bids and check references. Be sure the bids are quoting identical materials, including quantities and brand names, to be sure you can accurately compare them. Get a written contract and don't sign until you completely understand all the terms. Make sure everything is written into the contract, such as what work will be done, when it will be done, what materials will be used, debris cleanup, and who will obtain the permits. A detailed, clear contract protects you and the contractor and ensures that you both agree on the terms. Ensure that the permit is issued in the contractor's name, including the contractor's license number, and do not sign or agree to be issued the permit as an owner-builder. Ask your contractor for proof of payments to subcontractors and material providers to reduce any chance of mechanics liens being placed on your home. Ask the contractor to provide documentation that the proposed work complies with California's Title 24 Building Energy Efficiency Standards. Adequate documentation would be a CF1R Certificate of Compliance signed by the contractor, designer, or energy consultant and by the local building department. The CF1R would specify the amount of insulation required and any requirements related to energy efficiency of roofing materials. Don't pay more than 10% down or $1,000, whichever is less. Don't let payments get ahead of the value of work performed and materials provided. Don't pay in cash and keep records of payments and receipts throughout the contract. And lastly, only make the final payment when you're satisfied with the job. Remember not to rush into repairs or be pressured into making an immediate decision. Do your research and make sure you're comfortable with all of the contract terms before you decide to sign the agreement. Learn more at cslb.ca.gov.